morning all. I'm Priya, English teacher from RR. Okay, I hope all are doing great. We have been receiving lot of optimistic comments from the parent side and the enthusiastic homeworks from the students as well. We are being so happy. Please keep on supporting us. Your support makes us bright. Okay, and children, keep your head up. Keep on learning. Okay, don't give up on your learning, and give a big hug to your parents who are taking care of you with lots and lots of love. Your love make them to stay positive, dears. Okay dears, let's get into the magic garden. Yes dear, the title is The Magic Garden. Okay, 3rd grade English lesson, first lesson. Okay, the magic garden. Do you have any idea about magic? Okay, what is mean by magic? Magic means superpower. Makes the things appear and disappear suddenly, like this. Okay, sorry, it's my teddy. Okay, like this we have lot of magics in this lesson, dear. Okay, let's get into the lesson. The garden, the beautiful garden was in the school playground. Okay, the garden includes birds, flowers, trees and so on. Okay, variety of flowers in the garden. Okay, the sunshine fell on this garden more than on any other. What do you mean by that? The sunshine fell on this garden more than on any other. That means the sun gave its light to the garden in a pleasant way, warm way, so that the children could play in the garden peacefully. Okay, variety of flowers in the garden. Okay, I'm going to mention 5 flowers. Okay, sunflower, marigold, poppy, pansy and rose. Sunflower is in bright yellow color, marigold is in golden color, poppy is in red color, pansy is in my favorite purple color, and rose is in various colors. Okay dear?
In Unit 1, we are going to start our lesson, new lesson. Okay, the name of the lesson is Wonderful Waste. Okay my dears, do you think a waste can be so wonderful? What is mean by waste? A thing which is left unused. Okay, look at the name of the lesson, Wonderful Waste. A waste which turns into a wonderful thing. Do you make use of your waste things? Yes, we do. We will use some of the craft things, right? We will remake many useful things with waste items. Okay, this is also a lesson based on that, where a waste food items turns into a delicious dish. Okay, we have a story for that, how that delicious dish came. Once the Maharaja of Travancore had ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In the afternoon, before the dinner, he went into the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the dinner. He arranged for a grand feast in his palace that night for the dinner. So he went into the kitchen to examine the dishes that had been prepared by the cook very carefully. So he noticed some leftover vegetables kept aside nearby the cook. So now the Maharaja asked the cook, "What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps?" Do you know what is meant by vegetable scraps? They are the leftover vegetables which is kept unused. The cook replied, "Maharaja, they are unused vegetables. They are waste. We will throw it away. We are not going to use it anymore." The Maharaja sternly ordered him, that is, he told it very strictly, it should not be wasted.
Namaste bachcho. First of all, welcome all to grade 3. I hope you are all staying home safely. Today we are going to recall the basics in Hindi. Swar. I know you all know very well swar, but we are just going to recall it. Okay? This is swar chart. Here it's swar, that is vowels, and its matras. This is Uchcharan. Uchcharan means how to pronounce this matra. First, A. For A, there is no matra, and this is how you pronounce. Next,
Today, I am going to teach you the first literature lesson. 3 questions. 3 questions. It is written by Leo Tolstoy, a Russian writer. He has written so many books. War and Peace, it's a very famous book. So here he is retelling the story 3 questions. This is the very biggest lesson in our literature book we have. So let us divide into 2 parts. The main characters in this story are the king, hermit, and the wounded man. So here, what is this lesson about? Dear children, here we have an interesting man, the king, who was thinking, he had a thought that if he knew the answer for his 3 questions, if he knew the answer for 3 questions, he will never fail in his life. So he had a thought, if I know the answer for these 3 questions, I will never fail and my kingdom also would never fail. Like that. So in the the entire lesson, these 3 questions are only revolving around. So he is searching for the answer for 3 questions. So what are the 3 questions? Whether the king had found the answer for his 3 questions, let us see in this lesson. See here is a king who had an idea. He thought came to a king, and if I knew the answer for 3 questions, I will never fail in my kingdom. So what are the 3 questions? First question, see here. What is the right time to begin something? So he was thinking, what is the correct time to do anything to the people or to begin something else? Now, second question. Which people should I listen to? To whom shall I listen? To whom shall I keep always with me? So this is the second question. Which people should I listen to? Please listen carefully. This is the third question. What is the most important thing for him to do? So he was thinking, what is the correct thing to do to the people or someone else?
In shapes, we have learned 2 types. Solid shapes, flat shapes. All the objects are made up of shapes. We have seen what are the object will roll, what are the object will slide. Next topic is types of lines. Standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, curved line. Next topic is shadow. Based on these topics, we are going to see worksheet. Shall we see? Worksheet. First Roman. Circle the object that roll and cross the object that slide. See the first image. What is it? This is.
Hi students, I am your Rajivan. I am your CS ma'am. Step 1. Switch on the power supply. Visual. Switch on the power supply. The first step. Step 2. Switch on the UPS. We have to switch on the UPS. Step 3. Switch on the CPU cabinet. Now step 3 is switch on the CPU cabinet. Step 4. Switch on the monitor. We have to switch on the monitor. And step 5. A lock screen appears. Click the blank area at the screen. So when the 5th step, we can see the lock screen in our computer and we have to click the blank area. Then step 6, the sign in screen will be appears. So when the step 6 will come, we can see the sign in screen will be appears in our computer. We have to click there, we have to type our password or PIN. Some of them having password and some of them having the PIN number. Yes. So we have to type the password and PIN. Then we have to press the enter key. Then step 7. After Step 6, the final screen will be open. That final screen is called texter. So a texter screen will be appears in your screen. So this is steps we follow to how to starting a computer. Okay dear. Next, we are going to see how to shut down a computer. How to shut down the computer. How to switch off the computer. This is also, we should not directly switch off the computer. We should follow the steps. Shall we see? Step 1. Click the start button. Step 1 is we have to click the start button. Step 2. Click the power button. In the corner, you have to click the power button. Step 3. Click the shadow options. When you
Hi goodies, terrific morning. Are you ready to learn? Last week you had learned this poem Unit 1, Yeah Happy Child. Today you are going to learn in this poem new words, synonyms, antonyms and question answers. Shall I? Roman 1, N-E-W, new, W-O-R-D-S, words. New words. What is this? New words. First one, H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Second one, C-R-Y. Cry. What is this? C-R-Y. Cry. Third one, R-E-D. Red. This is the red color, right? R-E-D, red. Fourth one, S-U-N, sun. What is this? S-U-N, sun. Then fifth one, G-R-E-E-N. What is this? G-R-E-E-N, green. This is the green color.
What is reproduction? Reproduction is a process by which a living organism is able to produce new individuals of its own kind. Unlike other life processes such as nutrition, respiration, digestion, etc., it is not essential to maintain the life of an individual organism, but it is important for the existence and continuity of the species. Reproducing organisms create a new individuals that look very much like themselves. Organisms look similar because their body design are similar. Are similar because of the chromosomes. Where is chromosomes? Chromosomes inside the nucleus of the cell, isn't it? It's contain information for inheritance of features from parents to next generation in the form of DNA molecules. The DNA in the cell nucleus is information. So
8th, 9th, 10th students கொஞ்சம் பேரண்ட்ஸ் வந்து தயவுசெய்து இப்போ பசங்க எதுவும் உங்களுக்கு அதாவது இந்த படிக்காமல் இந்த மாதிரி அகாடமிக் சைடில் உங்களுக்கு எதுவும் ப்ராப்ளம் இருந்தால் உடனே வந்து எங்களுக்கு வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் மெசேஜ் போடுங்க, அது உடனே அட்டன் பண்ணுவோம். அதே மாதிரி உங்களுடைய மொபைல் நம்பர்ஸ் ஏதாவது மாற்ற வேண்டிய ஒரு சூழ்நிலைகள் இருந்தால் தயவுசெய்து அதையுமே நீங்கள் மெசேஜாக போடலாம். எல்லாத்துக்கும் நீங்கள் எதுக்குமே நீங்கள் கால் பண்ணணுன்ற அவசியம் இல்லை. நீங்கள் மெசேஜ் போட்டிங்கன்னா அதை நாங்கள் உடனே அட்டன் பண்ணுவோம். ஸோ இந்த 5 விஷயத்தை மட்டும் தயவுசெய்து மைண்டில் வச்சுக்கிட்டு பேரண்ட்ஸ் எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ஒரு கோஆப்ரேஷன் இப்போ வரைக்கும் நல்ல கோஆப்ரேட்டிவாக இருக்கீங்க. இதே கோஆப்ரேஷன் கண்டினியூ ஆகும் அப்படிங்கிற நம்பிக்கையில் நான் வந்து உங்ககிட்ட இந்த 5 விஷயத்தை மட்டும் சொல்கிறேன். 1, உங்கள் பிள்ளைங்க மொபைல் ஃபோன் பார்க்குறத கொஞ்சம் கரெக்ட் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. நம்பர் 2, வீக்லி டெஸ்ட் அவங்க எல்லாருமே நல்லா பண்ணணும். அதுக்கான முழு முயற்சியிலையும் நீங்கள் ஈடுபடுங்க. 3வது, சர்க்கிள் டைம் தயவு செய்து உங்கள் பிள்ளைங்களுக்கு இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். இதனால இவங்களுடைய படிப்பில் ஒரு பெரிய முன்னேற்றம் தெரியும். 4வது, 10 மணிக்கு கிளாஸ் அப்படின்னா ஷார்ப்பாக அவங்க அந்த கிளாஸில் இருக்கணும். 5வது, நீங்கள் பாருங்கள் பிள்ளைங்களுக்கு அந்த பாடங்களை சொல்லியும் கொடுங்க. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.